Gutire ndereti kana miario gatagati ka Jubilee na mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya NASA Raila Odinga iria endekithitie akiuga ni ehaririirie kwaraniria na mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta kuhariririo ati githurano kingi kwa kahinda gya thiku 90. Uyu ni murugamo wa munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto akiaraniria imwe kwa imwe na sesheni ya TV ya Al Jazeera.
Kenya is not the animal farm where there are some that are more equal than others. All of us, the president included, are subject to the Constitution. The Constitution provides that there will be a rerun within 60 days. That is what happened on the 26th Thursday last week. And Kenya will move on from there.
Ruto niageire kiene miario ya mutongoria wa NASA Raila Odinga ati githurano gitirai na uigirireku, akiuga no mariririe undu ungi no ti maundu megie githurano.
There will be no election in 90 days. There will be no discussion on matters to do with election. We will have dialogue with Mr. Odinga on other matters, not matters that have been settled by the people of Kenya in their supreme will in a ballot.
Munini wa president oigete arena uma a Kenya milioni 7.6 ni mareyumiriria gwikia kura na kihoto kiao gutire mundu ungikiuna ni amu gutire watho wathite mundu athurane kana age guthurana.
In this election, 7.6 million Kenyans voted. Those who did not vote were asked to boycott the election by the opposition. It is a choice that citizens make. In Kenya, it is not mandatory for anybody to vote. It is a choice that you make. You choose to vote or you choose not to vote. What we are against is Mr. Odinga's use of militia and violence to stop citizens from exercising their democratic constitutional right. And he succeeded in a very small section of Kenya. That is only 9% of Kenya. He managed to stop citizens from voting.
Munini wa president niongereire ati Raila niwe warehire nyanake itari hade irutaga uboco wao kuharagania githurano mwena wa Nyanza. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.